In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Squarespace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automate tasks effortlessly, saving you both time and effort. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to navigate over to Zapier's website. Once there, log in using your credentials. In case you don't have an account yet, Zapier offers a simple sign-up process that won't take much of your time. Now, after you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your dashboard. It's here that all the magic happens. Next up, you'll want to click on the Create button found on your dashboard, followed by selecting Zaps. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects different apps and services. It's what allows Zapier to help automate your repetitive tasks. When you click Create, you'll be prompted with the option to create a new Zap from scratch. Or you can choose to let the AI suggest some ideas. If you're new to Zapier, letting the AI assist can be greatly beneficial. However, to give you a comprehensive understanding, let's manually create one today. Now, it's time to set up your automation. You'll begin right under the sections titled Trigger and Action. When you click beneath these sections, a pop-up will display a list of various applications available to you. Your starting point is to add Squarespace under Trigger. The trigger is the event that kicks off your automation. For this tutorial, select New Form Submission as your trigger event. This means whenever someone submits a form on your Squarespace site, it will activate the Zap you've created. However, don't forget a crucial step here. Make sure you've connected your Squarespace account to Zapier. Doing this will ensure Zapier can access your form submissions without any hiccup. Once your trigger is all set, you'll need an action tied to it. For our example, choose Gmail under the available applications and set Send Email as your action event. This way, each time a form submission occurs on Squarespace, an automatic email will be sent through Gmail. Just like before, you must connect your Gmail account to Zapier to execute this step effectively. Finally, testing and publishing your Zap is crucial. Before you finalize everything, run a test to confirm that your automation works as intended. This step is often overlooked, but is essential for ensuring everything operates smoothly. Once you've verified that everything is functioning correctly, go ahead and publish your Zap. And there you have it. A simple, yet powerful way to leverage the capabilities of Zapier with Squarespace to automate your tasks. With these steps, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and let technology take care of repetitive tasks. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this video helps make your life a little easier.